Hello everyone, let me just start this video with a massive thank you. We are famous now because of you. Got 1,000 subscribers. Legit famous. No, I'm joking, but yeah, thanks to everyone out there who subscribed, watched, liked our videos. That's like such an impact. I just love seeing it, everything happening with our videos. Like, who would have thought a year ago that we would still be here? Like,
we thought in a year we reached like 100 subscribers, like 200, and then we hit 1,000 the other day, which is absolutely amazing.
And yeah, we're just gonna keep uploading. Gonna try our hardest to get weekly uploads, sometimes even 2.
So to give back to the viewers, we kind of had some custom kind of merchy kind of things made. We got some custom lanyards made.
They are lit though.
We are going to do a giveaway on these. We've got 2. So if you want
2 to give away.
So we're going to be running a giveaway on Instagram. So obviously you have to like, subscribe to the channel, hop over to Instagram, follow, like the photo, and comment on the photo as well. And that we will then pick one at random.
We'll pick 2 at random.
2 people at random.
Then we'll drop you a DM. You just send us over your address, and then we'll just
send them over to you, I guess.
Then you'll receive your lit lanyards.
But yeah, thanks for 1,000 subs. We're going to carry on doing what we do, try and produce better content this year, and we hope you like what we do.
Thank you to everyone out there. And yeah, content's coming out 2019. We'll see you.
See you later, guys.
And we're servicing the EP3. It's not a full service, just oil filter, spark plugs and cabin filter. I'm going to get some gearbox fluid and oil filter, and I'll just do 2 separate videos on them because they're quite specialised videos, if you know what I mean.